All right. How's everybody doing today? Another Q&A. So the big question is this: how are passionate tattooers like us, who know there's more to tattooing than just doing good artwork, how do we get ourselves out there and fill our books with clients that want our style and pay us what we're worth so that we can take care of our families and get out of our own ways and get ahead? That is the question, and this channel will give you the answers. What time is it?
Game time!
That's right. This one is not really a question. It's more of a response back to somebody who kind of badmouthed me about my course, okay, about my social media course. And so I'm gonna share my response to somebody who's maybe been misinformed. And then if you got any questions to do with clients or tattoo business in general, shoot those and maybe we can answer them. And maybe if you got a good one, we'll jump on a live video for about 2 minutes and hopefully I can answer your question. So first you gotta know the context of this, okay? I don't know how many of you guys have seen my Facebook advertisement on the social media course. If you have, let me know below. If you haven't, basically it starts off like this: what 2 things allow big name shops like Miami Ink and others to never struggle with booking clients or worrying about paying their bills? And basically what that is it's marketing and it's branding. So they got enough attention and they put enough information out there to people to where people trust them and know that, hey, they're pretty good. They've been on TV. Now, not saying that that determines how good of a shop you are, but in people's eyes that go to Miami Ink, that's what they're valuing, so that's what's working for them. So it's a dude named Cole, and he says, "Here we go again. This course ignores the #1 thing any tattoo artist should do to get more clients and not worry about paying the bills. And it's the most tried and true method out there. Hint, it has nothing to do with taking this guy's course." He's talking about me. Okay, he said that #1 thing: invest into yourself. Invest in your skills to become a better tattoo artist, as they will drive the clientele automatically. Not take some random course that a guy yelling about in a Facebook ad. You can't put a bow on a pile of shit, market it, repost it, and brand it as the best and expect more clients. You're only showing you can market a pile of shit. Not good, is it? Take courses to be a better tattooer. Learn from people better than you, and you will see exponential growth. If you take this guy's course, you will see an exponential decrease in your wallet. So that's what he said about me. It's funny how people that have never joined my program are the ones that talk bad about it. I understand where it comes from. What people don't understand, they fear or they make fun of or they hate on. It's just, it comes down to an insecurity, and I understand that. The first point I want to make is this guy basically says, do better artwork and the clients will come automatically. And I've never said artwork is not important. What I've said is artwork, good artwork is fucking expected. Okay, if you don't do good artwork, then we shouldn't even be talking. You still got shit to learn, okay? If you do good artwork though, and you're not booked, see, yesterday we talked of a dude who was tattooing for 18 years, refining his skills, getting better and better, and he was struggling to stay booked up for 2 weeks. There's more to getting booked up than artwork. Doing a good tattoo comes down to artwork. Getting a client comes down to a lot more things than just doing good artwork. People don't even know you. It doesn't matter how good of a tattoo artist you are. What's funny is the course is only $27. So anybody in their right state of mind with a money back guarantee, I mean, if you're counting pennies in the couch, you can get, I'll give you the $27 back. But for somebody who's not even willing to jump off of a little baby step and spend 27 bucks to see if it's worth it and it has a money back guarantee is a fucking loser, like straight up. Those kind of people suck. And I don't want to get all negative, but I don't like people like that. If you want to knock something before you've even tried it, you already lost. So back onto the response. He said, invest in your skills to become a better artist. Of course that's true, and that's what we do for our entire career. That doesn't stop. But investing into yourself, into your knowledge, if it can help your skill development, what could, I'm talking to Cole here, which he's not even on this video, but Cole If you invest into your artwork and it gets better, what the fuck do you think would happen if you invest into your knowledge on business and marketing to get clients? Don't you think you would get better at it? It's the same way. I like that you say invest into yourself, but it's not one or the other. And I don't say marketing's gonna save all your problems either, but most of the time, if you do good artwork and you're not getting clients, it's not your artwork, it's marketing. That's the people I'm talking to in that situation. So that is the message that I wanted to share about our boy Cole and what he has to say about a course that he never invested into, didn't even pull out $27 to even take a risk, and had something to say about it. So yeah, that's what this video is about. It was more of a rant. We have all, I've said this in another video, we have all had a life-changing opportunity or had a chance to completely transform our life through an opportunity that has passed us by. Just about every one of you guys has had an opportunity pass you by that could have changed your life and you didn't even know it, because it was disguised as an opportunity, not the right time, or you weren't ready for it, or you didn't believe it was real, or you thought it was a scam or something like this. Stop. Bet on yourself, okay? If you want to invest into yourself, take the fucking risk. When it comes to investing in yourself, some of you guys, straight up need to learn how to see it right. You need to quit looking at it like something scary. You need to look at it like a serial killer. Be delusional if you got to, but stop looking at investing into yourself as not the right time, especially if it's 27 bucks. If you don't have 27 to invest, you're already broke, dude. You can't not afford to invest into a course that's 27 bucks and might change what you're doing, okay? If it gives you one client, it's already paid for itself. And the fact that the course is normally 197 bucks and I'm giving it to you for a fraction, like, I don't even want to sell it to you if you don't. If you need time to get 27 bucks, you're not a good fit, man. You don't got what it takes. You don't have the right mindset, and we're better off not buying it, because I don't want to sit there and refund you when you look in the mirror and say, hey, this didn't work for me because I didn't do the work, I just watched the videos. Okay, you're right. The course won't work if you don't do the action steps, and you got to invest in yourself first. So you got to have the right mentality. Do we have any more questions? I hope I hope you guys really understand that. Okay. It's never going to be convenient. I invested $18K into a mentor when the IRS wanted $18K from me. Within 2 months, I was able to pay that $18K back. Probably even less than that. But I had to invest in myself and bet on myself and look in the mirror and say, if this works, if I work for this thing and it works, this is going to be sweet. Okay? There was a risk. You guys have taken risks. You've taken a risk the first time you did a tattoo, how uncomfortable it was, okay? Keep going through things that make that feeling in you, because that's growth. The moment you stop and start avoiding those type of situations that are scary and you're nervous in and it's uncomfortable is the moment that you're getting behind, because while you're doing it, there's somebody else out there in your area that is owning shit. He's got the courage, or he or she has got the courage, pushing through those challenges in both art and marketing and learning business. So I suggest that all you guys do the same. You're in the right place. I don't think there's a better person out there in the industry to learn about tattoo business from. Otherwise, I would pay them $18,000 so that they could mentor me. But last time I checked, nobody knows the shit, and everybody thinks they know what it is, but really it just comes down to a really deep insecurity of not knowing how to get business, and so they spit out ignorant things, okay? And it's time for that to stop. It's time to make a change. Who's with me on this? Who knows that there is more to getting clients than doing just good work, okay? Let me hear you say I. So that is Q&A video 2. That one's done. Now 85,000 more. For all you guys that understand it, and you understand and you know you need to get more attention And that's what you need to work on because you already have good artwork. I will see you in the social course. Click the link in my profile. Y'all have a great one.